Easy boy. What are you doing with my pawpaw tree? I'm not talking, you are running. Don't worry. I will show you why they call me Odoguna South. I will deal with you. You don't know me. Come back here next time. I will show you. You see you? I will tie you. Don't worry. Okay. Let him come and pluck it. I've done it before, and I will still do it again. Watch it.
Juju, Baba Coco. Hang with me, hold on. I will show you something. My papa don't do this thing before. Let me come back. You know what my job, Papa? Narika, put Juju for me. Want to kill me, Abby? I said this thing. As I won't put you. I said kill him, slap him, put them epilepsy, do a mess, even for boss or taxi. Anyway. Do as I tell you. Me I no chop the papa, gun chop like I
see. Jesus! For my papa, person can carry juju, die on top of juju. This one, Lord, we die here. I no go gree. I go come out and for waiting. Now me get this papa. No. Meaning what? Papa, why I inherit from my father? It can never happen.